So this is our session 12. Okay. Are you getting some noise? So study you get it. This one demo. So it started. Yeah, Shubham. So see, you can also start from the. This is my bracket editor. Okay. Open with brackets. So the same project you can open in multiple editor and you can work. I have set it the Sublime, but now see today I am just opening brackets. Okay, just for showing you. Then start Sublime. So we, yeah. So we are in demo. Okay. So this one. So we have index page. Just come to here. So localhost and in plain demo. See, yesterday we have created this one. Okay. So drop down is working and yes, this slide is also working. Okay. So let's start. Uh, and now I'm going to open Snip. Why Snip? Because all the codes are available. It is not necessary to design all the codes. Okay. So in any every company, if you join any IT company, and it this company is pure development company. Okay, not service based company. Then you have to access. They'll give the authority to access some websites, GitHub, Snip. Okay, and jQueries, MD Bootstrap. So there are websites which you can refer for development purpose. Okay, so if I want footer, I can just search footer here, ter. You'll get the design and just search the footer in Bootstrap. So footer. So card is coming. Now this is the footer for Bootstrap. Okay, cards. We are getting cards. So just assume we have designed this one, and this one. Okay. Now the next part is this one like this. Okay. So and see all this, and then some clients and the footer is this one. Okay, this black part is the footer part. So just I have searched the footer, and now see these are different types of footer. We are getting like this green, and this one small footer, and you can also find footer here. So this is the header, this is the head part, head, okay, and the last, the bottom of the site is known as footer, okay. So we can create footer like this one, card design, and various types of footers are here. See, one, two, three, four parts divided into four columns. This is divided into three columns, okay. And if you want more, just Google. So I'm just going to use any ones, just a simple footer. So if I want to access this one, can access this one, or if you want this one, access. I'm just going to open in new tab and in a single tab. You must have to aware how to edit, okay, how to edit the code. I'm just copying a paste because I have already explained all the tags, okay. So I hope you are getting, okay. So I want to use this one, okay, this one. So here, just go to the HTML page and just copy for this section, footer, okay. Footer is also tag, okay, but here it is a section. Just copied the footer. I have copied this. uh, just come to here, and on the bottom of the page here, just give the footer, FWTER, okay. And here I'll paste the code, okay. So this section is for footer. Now let's say the design, and just come here. Okay, so now it is blank, okay, because we haven't used the CSS. So for this we have to use CSS. So CSS is here. Here is the CSS for this footer. So just select, just copy, okay. And now I'm not going to apply this CSS in the same page, okay. We can apply, but the code will be long, okay. If I use here, so you can also use like here, STYLA, and after this you can paste, just control paste, control V, and if run. So here this is the footer, okay. Here you can replace, you can give the name, and these are the different icon for the different social media sites, and in between, okay. So it is working. So instead of writing here, just undo. Instead of applying here, I'm just going to create one style.css, okay. And in the same style, the study we have created, so you can remove this, or here you can give the footer, FOOTER. See how to comment in CSS, forward slash star, then single slash star, then single slash. Got one request. So who is there? Okay, Ritika. Okay, and now we have to link the style.css with or this file. So just copy this one, and here STYLE, okay. because the name is tyl style.css. Okay, now save, and still we are getting yes. Okay, and this is the body after this. So just go to the bottom, and this is a section. Okay, so where is the section open? Here. Okay, so here just I am going to apply, and here we can give comment and slider end. Okay, so whatever we have, if you want something like you to get insert image, some content, some text, so you can write here. Okay, so this is the body. This all are in body, but this is uh, here. This is for footer section, and these are for slider. And on the top of the slider, we have used navbar. Okay, sorry, SC space. Yes. Okay. Now here I want to use uh, like this. We have to create. Okay. So for this, you can search panel or card. Okay. Here you just have to search card. See, one card is here. Okay. In Bootstrap. And now in Bootsnip, again I have searched card. Okay. So I found this card, and come on, it's loading. सी कॉपी कौन कर सकता है? जिसके पास कुछ स्किल हो। अगर हम एग्जाम में बैठे हो एंड अगर हमें कॉपी करना है, तो मेरे आगे अगर मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, तो मैं कॉपी कर सकता हूँ क्या? नहीं कर सकता। अगर मेरे सामने बुक्स भी रख दी जाएगी, तो भी मैं कॉपी नहीं कर सकता। ओके, तो किसी से कॉपी करने के लिए, इफ यू वांट टू कॉपी फ्रॉम सम बुक्स और सम नोट्स, still you have to know about that, where what is the page number, where we have learned, okay, that topic in the books, in which chapter this question is coming from, and और भी चीज़ें, जैसे आपके कुछ आंसर्स हैं तो वो चीज़, अदरवाइज थ्री इडियट्स वाली हाल हो जाएगी। अगर हम बोर्ड्स पे कुछ लिखे हैं और हम स्टार्ट कर दिए, हम लोग सर्च करना बुक्स में, जो कि बुक्स में अवेलेबल ही नहीं है। ठीक है, तो वो क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि हमने केयर नहीं किया था कि वो क्वेश्चंस उसमें होंगे, हमने बुक्स पढ़ा नहीं था कभी पूरा। तो सेम थिंग, इफ यू वांट टू कॉपी, यू मस्ट हैव टू नो अबाउट दैट टैग्स। ओके, I know, that's why I'm able to copy all the codes. So I hope you also understand these things. Okay, and you will get all the skill, you got all the knowledge. Okay, so copying is also a good habit. huh? Everybody cannot copy. Okay, so just this one, just click card. So come on, would snip. Hey, it's not a joke. Sometimes it's a joke. So see, these are the different okay cards. So if you want, you can create. If you want to get hover, you can give apply hover. Okay, or if you want some more, just go back and do one thing. जब भी आप कॉपी करो, तो कॉपी करने के टाइम पे, क्योंकि देखिए कहीं भी आप काम करोगे ना, तो आप हर जगह ऐसा आप स्केच से डिजाइन नहीं करने वाले। यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डिजाइन द वेबसाइट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। ओके, टुडे आई ऑल्सो शो यू द टेम्पलेट, about templates. Okay, how IT company works, how developer work. Okay, how they copy the templates or download the templates, and just changes, do some changes, and websites complete in one day. Okay, so I'll show you. So like this, open. And if you want like this, you can open in this new tab and just go to the second one. Go to the, okay. If you want to create some like team page, so here you can leave the team, getting team. So you can create like team like this. See, this one you can also use if you have more than 4 5 members in your team, then you can use this one. Okay, and not only for this team, you can fly for other purpose. Come on. So if I want this, just click here. So what we are getting here, all the CSS and new design ideas. Okay, getting this one. So you can create like this. Yeah, about that Dilip, you can give the information here. Okay, so what I'll do, just go to the HTML and yeah, and just go to the here. Just copy it from this container. Okay, all things get copied. Okay, just copy and just go to the page and here in this section. Okay, in this section, give that some space and now start coding. Just paste. Okay, and yeah. So now let's हम इसे सीक्वेंस में से आ देते हैं. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4. He has a four member of he has a four member in his team. So just yeah, getting it in every at the end of the div. Yeah, just tab. Okay, for sequence. Okay, so now just save and yes, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So six members. Now then we'll copy the this CSS. Okay, so from here our team, I'm just going to copy the CSS. Okay, you can apply this team this CSS on same page, or you can you write it or paste it in here on the style page. So team and now paste. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या होगा, कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगी हमें कि हमने कौन सा CSS किस चीज़ के लिए अप्लाई किया है. ओके, and we have already imported linked our CSS file. So yeah, yes. So yeah, we are getting okay. So now if we have a team of like Vivek Kumar, Vivek here. So about Vivek you can write here. Okay, about Vivek. Now it is little bit changes. Design is something different. Okay, now see font. Okay, so because I want copy, I have want copied this one H1 and this body. Okay, if I copy this, sorry, So if I copy it, so background, body background will change. Now let's see. Copy this one, and I'm just going to paste in before this team. So footer, footer, yeah. So here, just saved. Okay, and now, yes, see the background. Okay, and the font also. Okay, so now like this you can create. Okay, and if you want something like some see, हमें प्रॉब्लम कब फेस करते हैं, whenever we face the problem, whenever we want some javascript plugins. Okay, whenever we require some javascript parts, then we face some issues. Okay, so in this design no javascript is required. Okay, yeah, javascript required, but it is already inbuilt in jQuery and bootstrap.min.js. Okay, that's why it is working. If I removed uh, which one, from the top of the here, if I give comment to this one. Okay, this one applying comment. So now see, it's not working. This is not working. Okay, because I have, and for this working. Okay, so it is given on the CSS. Okay, because we are not clicking anything, just going. So on hover. Okay, so just undo. Yeah, and let's one example related to JavaScript. Okay, so for this HTML and CSS, now see here in this HTML page here, link which one, bootstrap.min. Here bootstrap.min, so I have already linked. Okay, that's why I want copy, and again linked bootstrap.min.js. so ये भी हमने लिंक करके रखा है, एंड द jQuery. ओके, सो jQuery भी हमने ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे दिया है, तो इसलिए दैट्स वाई ये हम नहीं वहाँ पे इंक्लूड किए हैं. ओके, अभी देखो, आप हर चीज़ का एक सीक्वेंस आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है ना. हर एक चीज़ की सीक्वेंस आपको यहाँ पे देख समझ में आ रही है, और मैंने कैसे कोर्स को रखा है ये भी. ओके, तो आपको ये सब चीज़ें ध्यान देनी पड़ेगी एट द टाइम ऑफ डेवलपमेंट, टाइम ऑफ कोडिंग. ओके, यस. Okay, and now let's take one example. If you have some clients, so you want to give uh, like this. It's my BSNL broadband, that's why ad comes like this if you want. Okay, so for this I'll just search slider. Okay, like this I'm saying this. Okay, Just put here. And see, this one you can also use. And this one. So are you getting whatever I am copying? Because in every company आप कहीं भी काम करोगे, यू हैव टू अप्लाई लाइक दिस. आपको सर्च करना चाहिए. यू मस्ट हैव टू नो अबाउट फ्रॉम वेयर वी कैन कॉपी द सोर्स कोड, फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन कॉपी द प्लगइन्स. ओके, यू मस्ट हैव टू नो अबाउट दिस. आपको जानना पड़ेगा कहीं भी आप कंपनी में काम करोगे तो, कि हम कहाँ से कोड्स को कॉपी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि कोई भी कंपनी हमें प्रोजेक्ट्स देती है तो ये नहीं बोलती कि यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच. आप हेड लिखो, HTML लिखो, देन स्टार्ट हेड लाइक दिस, कि विल क्रिएट वन, will create one page. The page name is about. Okay, suppose that about dot html. Okay, the page name is about dot html, and then we'll start from like this. Here we write html. Okay, then give title again, then start. If I have to start divide into three section, like if I want to create this design, okay, one two three, in three parts, then we'll go here and write div, and then class. See how much time, container. Okay, and then start div, sorry, div, and then here class is equals to row. Okay, and then again div, div, and div, then class is equals to col, sorry, col md 4, and again we'll copy three times, four times this one. Okay, so just paste. So like this. Okay, and then we'll put some content here. No, if the codes is already available and we know how to write the code, okay, we know how to write, then we can copy it, we can paste the same types of code we have applied here. Let's see. Div class container, div rows. Okay, div class column lg, and this is the main again class he has created, and this is for, now see this class, our, sorry, just copy, yeah, copy it, and you can find here in style.css I have pasted now, so you can find, yeah, our team main. So this is the class created by that user. Okay, so we can also make changes in this class. Okay, we can also make changes. So like this we can create. Okay, if the source code is already given, so no need to write it from scratch. Okay, now see, after this, you know about div, you know about image. Okay, so this image is taken from the source placehold.it. Okay, and then the name Dilip, and he is a web designer. Okay, so now we can write here Vivek Kumar, Vivek Kumar. Okay, web designer. And about Vivek, we can write here Vivek is a passionate web developer or designer, CEO and MD, whatever you want to write. So about विवेक यू कैन पुट हियर. ओके, सो कौन से प्रोजेक्ट पे इन्होंने काम किया है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज लाइक सपोज दैट यूरी. सो यूरी can write here. Okay, and he is a marketing executive, so you can write here marketing executive. Marketing executive. Okay, so we can put here marketing executive. So about that guys, about that uh, member, about this member, you can write here. Okay, so here about. Okay, so here if I want Tuza, you can write. So you can write here. Okay, so she is a web developer. Okay, so web developer. So you can put like this. Now, if I come here, 1 minute. Okay, so see about Vivek, about this one. So you can write here. Okay, and you can, yeah, here you can check the name. So just hold 1 minute. I have तो यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने हाँ या नाउ आई वांट टू चेंज द इमेज ओके आई वांट इमेज हियर ओके इन दिस circle okay so what I will do I just go to the here and see image yeah about Vivek so this is for image if I remove this see I have removed I'm going to remove this one okay so now see here nothing okay because that was the image okay so now what I'll do find me India takes off miss suppose that I want image or ITS or some other image okay like I want this image okay so this is Vikas sir he will teach you from Monday okay he'll train you so I want this image so save image and the image name is zero okay so suppose that this is Vivek okay so okay Vivek is already there so Vikash VIKH okay in download so I'll download it in XAMPP htdocs and web demo in this image just vikas.jpg just save come here and this image you're getting Vikas okay VIKSH so here uh, image IMAGE slash directly Vikas VIKASH dot JPG so image vikas.jpg now let's check the name VIKSH okay Vikash Kumar so here see Vikas see. So like this you can change because now what we'll do what we have done we haven't created like this design okay it's already I've just copied the design and just replaced the name okay so like this you can do now let's see one more example on based on the JavaScript so I want to create like this okay so here this one I have just go in HTML just copy this part why I'm not copying this one can anybody explain why I'm not copying this one you can copy yes anyone why I'm not copying yeah it is it is already in our code. We have already linked it. Okay, already given. Yeah. So if I got some replies from your side, then ऐसा लगता है कि no, whatever I am trying to give you, you are getting. Okay, already included. So now just come. Now this one is not included. This is slick.js. Okay, this one is not included. So I'll also copy this one. Okay, and first and then go here and the top after this JavaScript will paste this one. Okay, now come to the after this team or before footer. So here, yes, before footer. Uh, So now I'll copy this div. Okay, all the codes are given in this div. Just copy and now here I'll paste. Okay, and this I don't want. So just, remove. Okay, and this is for what purpose? So suppose that we have a client. Okay, I have a client. So here again we'll comment, give comment and client section, client or partner. Okay, clients or partners. So client ants and this is the end. Okay, so here close. So clients. Now codes are here, our partner, our clients. So now let's see. Now it is look like this. Okay, ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है आप बता सकते हो? Why it is coming like this? Why we are getting this such type of image here? Not a proper image. Yes, yes. Can anyone explain? Yeah, CSS. So here we have CSS here. So now I'll copy this CSS. Just copy, copy, and then where I'll put it? I'll put in this style.css where on the bottom. Okay. So after this, again here I'll give some comment and this for client clients. Okay, and just paste. Yeah. So now let's see. Still they're getting. It did save. Yes, save and just close this one. Okay. Now we have to include JavaScript. Okay, this one. This is specific JavaScript for that code. See, slide to show how much? 6. Is there 6 slide? 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? So, for this, 6 is given here. Slide to show. Slide to scroll 1. Okay, 1 by 1. If once it is scrolled, it will 1. See, 1 we are getting here. After this, 1. Okay? After this, 1. And auto speed, okay, 1500. Arrows false. Arrow, if you give yes, then if I apply true, arrow true, and now see, you'll get previous and next. Okay, next. This is for arrow purpose. Okay, so if I remove here, just undo false, then go, then we are not getting any arrows here. Okay, so if I put 2 or 3, okay, now see 3 after this 3. Okay, so this is the JavaScript. Okay, for this one. So one by one. Okay, you can increase the speed, you can decrease the speed. So I'm just going to copy, not going to change anything, just copy. And now this one I will include at the end of index.php. Okay, at the end after this body, after this body here we have, if you want to insert some JavaScript code, then you have to write script. Okay, and type equals to text and JavaScript, and here you have to paste. Okay, now yes, see, yeah, one by one it is coming. Now if I changed not 6, uh, I want 4. Okay, and slide to scroll 2. Okay, see, 4 and 2 2. Yeah, so getting, सो अगर मुझे ऐसा क्रिएट करना है, ऐसा डिजाइन बनाना है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? जस्ट वी हैव टू कॉपी द कोड फ्रॉम द बुटस्नैप और एनी अदर websites. You can also copy code from W3 School. You can also copy code from students tutorials and Bootstrap, MD Bootstrap, Get Bootstrap. Okay, and from GitHub, from Stack Overflow, from different sites are there. Okay, you can copy the code. So this type of traces you can include. Yeah, and so Bootstrap is very easy, very easy. Okay, so this is the card. Okay, Bootstrap for card, some having some images and some information. So you can just apply that information here, name here, or sorry, images here, and the information regarding that image, or you can apply here. Okay, so you can copy this one also. Yes, for social medias like this you can create. If you want some like a testimonial, so just search testimonial. Yes, see, testimonial you can find here. Like this is also testimonial. Okay, and so each and every code is given. You just have to copy paste. Okay, so you want to upload some videos like this, you can also upload this one testimonial videos, and this one. So here, find here. See, if you go here, this is just like a testimonials. Sorry, links argument. So here, this is okay. So what the students think on this intern in. So here you'll get. Okay. So like this you can create, and here you can apply. And this is one thing how you can apply, give the community, and this one. Okay. So like if you want counter, you just have to search counter here, counter, you'll get counter. Okay, see, This one I have used on that website. This one, if you come here, you'll find this counting 10 to 100. So you can use this counter. Yes, getting. So you can also apply this one, and now see, if you want counter, this one you can use counter, animated counter. Okay. So various types of counters are given. This one, this one, this one. So based on your requirement, okay, you can apply. So hope in this session you have learned a lot of things. So we'll take 5 minute break and then start the second session. And in this session, I'll show you about templates. Okay, if I want some templates, how to find templates, how to download free templates. Okay, some templates are uh, premium. Okay, some are free. So we can find the templates. We can create admin panel. So and then you know how to create a session form. You know how to create login form. Yes. Now it depends on me which type of form we want to create. Okay, and now if the aware of all the things, that we can go to the JavaScript and then we'll start the SQL and PHP. Okay, so PHP is the last part of this training. So before PHP you have to learn MySQL and JavaScript. Okay, and then we'll create the registration form and we'll try to insert the form into database and try to fetch the record from the databases. Okay, so let's come in 5 minutes. Okay.